Growlite is an organic, coir-based growing medium which is completely peat-free. It's easy to store and handle, much easier than wrestling heavy bags of compost, and it's perfect for pots, planters, hanging baskets and hydroponics. You can use it wherever you would normally use compost. It comes in 5 kilo blocks that hydrate to 60 litres, which would normally weigh around 5 times as much. You can either hydrate the entire coir block in a large tub or wheelbarrow, or you can split off smaller amounts and hydrate them as needed. Just break up the pieces, add water, and watch the coir expand to approximately 6 times its volume. Add more water if necessary and give it a mix. Growlite contains a precise mix of coir pith, fibres and chips, which ensures optimum drainage, balanced water retention and excellent oxygenation for a healthy root system. Carefully controlled pH and EC levels guarantee suitability for a wide variety of plants. It contains a well-balanced organic fertilizer, including trace elements and minerals. The coir retains the nutrients and increases delivery and absorption through plant roots and foliage, resulting in increased photosynthesis for faster growth and healthier plants. Growlite is perfect for germinating seeds and contains enough nutrients to support your plants for the first 2 months of their growth. After that, fertilizer will need to be added, which makes it ideal for those, particularly organic growers, who want to control exactly what feed they give their plants. Growlite is ideal for people who struggle lifting heavy bags of compost. But even a princess can handle a block of Growlite. So which would you rather carry home? From growing veg for your table to creating colourful hanging baskets, Growlite will help you really get the best from your plants. Another great product from Hacksnix.